Welcome to Desphixs. Growing up, I had a very simple dream. I want to do something I love, have the freedom to work with people I want to work with, and have enough money to live the life I want to live. But all along the way, people told me that this dream was actually impractical. A lot of people told me a lot of things like I should study medicine so I can become a doctor so that I can actually secure a job when I graduate or something, because there are no money in computers and designs. And then my bosses all along the way told me that if I wanted to be successful, I have to work endless nights and days. But I'm happy to say that after 4 years into building my computer and design career, I'm actually beginning to prove them wrong. We are now living in an incredible time in history where there is more businesses than ever. We need websites, digital products, and offerings, and we designers can help them by doing what we love doing, by creating something beautiful from nothing and helping them solve their business problems all along the way while enjoying what we love doing. So this channel has been around for a while now, but I thought of rebranding it by adding more features to it, like sharing my design skills and journey by inspiring and teaching. So here I'll be sharing everything related to design, ranging from website designs, UI UX designs, logo designs, digital packaging, branding, and amazing skills on becoming the designer you wanted to be. So if you want to join us as we explore the world of creativity and designs in an entertaining and fun way, then consider subscribing to stay updated with our new videos every week, Mondays and Thursdays, and I hope to see you in my next video. Once again, welcome to Desphixs.